Alright, so we're going to redo our old garage floor here with an epoxy floor coating. This floor is over 60 plus years old and it's in great shape. There's not any major cracks and it's just very, very dirty. So we're gonna scrub this. We have some product from the company and we're gonna scrub this until there's not any more oil or slick spots, and hopefully will get us a nice finished coating on here. This is the product here we're going to use to hopefully get this old grime and grit and grease off their cement floor here, so we'll see how this stuff works. Alright, so we are finishing up cleaning out the degreaser and cleaner. We actually had to get a couple of extra bottles because this is 60 plus years of grease and grit, and we also got some paint stripper to get most of this paint off the floor here. So now we're gonna squeegee off, rinse this off this degreaser, and next we'll go with the acid. We'll put that on the floor here next. This is the muriatic acid. We're going to do that 2 times on this floor, and then we'll be ready for the first round of paint. Alright, so here we got the muriatic acid we're going to add. We got about 3.5 gallons to half a gallon muriatic acid. This will neutralize all the degreaser and chemicals we've been using to clean the floor with. So we're going to do this 2 times. So we use half a gallon, rinse this out, scrub it, and do it one more time, scrub it, rinse it out the second time. Make sure you're always wearing gloves with acid. You always want to add the acid to the water, so make sure you get the water in first. So that's about half. So what this will do is start fizzling. Once we add it to the ground here, we're just going to scrub this. Alright, so we're going to mix our paint here. We got A, B, and C epoxy. We'll mix this up, and then we'll start applying it to our floor here. So we're going to add A first. Go B. We're already shaking these cans up so they're ready to go. Pop them open. This is our gray color that we're going to have the floor. And then I'm going to add C. And we'll mix that up. All right, we got the first coat down. We'll let this dry, and then we'll get our second coat, which will be the finish coat with the flakes. And then our last coat will be the clear coat, top coat. All right, so we got the first coat down. You can see some fine cracks. The next step is we'll put some filler for these fine hairline cracks, and we'll seal that up. All right, so we've sealed up any little cracks or holes or divots or any kind of spots in the floor. So we're gonna let this dry and we'll be ready for the final coat. There you have it. We got a floor painted with our flex sprinkled on. So now we'll let it dry, and next will be the clear coat, top coat. All right, so our top coat, the gloss coat, is on now. So the floor is officially done. Now we'll just let that dry, and it says 5 to 7 days we can park on it. It'll be fully cured in 5 to 7 days. All right, so we finally got our floor, garage floor, finally completed. It took quite a bit of work in this old house. As you might imagine, this was quite a bit of cleaning to do. We got our baseboards back on, got it all, it's been curing, drying for about 7 days now. So we're able to actually be able to park on it, and it turned out quite nice. A little bit of work, quite a bit of downtime. Took 3 days to apply the 3 different coats that we had, and then the last clear coat was very powerful fumes. Highly recommend using your respirator, and it even smelled up the whole house in our throughout the house. So very, very strong, powerful fumes that took several days to actually go away. Several days before the fumes went away. But you can do this garage floor pretty easy. It's just going to be at least a week downtime before you can actually be on this floor. As you can imagine, that could be a problem in some people's areas, but worked great for us. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this will inspire you to do an epoxy floor of some kind in your garage. It really makes a big transformation from where we began in this house 7 years ago when we bought it. So make it a great day.